Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from Diamond Art Gift. They were kind enough to send me some paintings. So I'm probably going to regret it, but I'm going to start with the one that we can partly see. And I say I'm going to regret it just because it's a bigger one. So once it's folded out flat, it'll take up more room on my desk. So this one is a 40 by 50 and I thought this was fun. This is purely for fun, this painting. It has 20 different colours and it is a round, but look how fun that is. It is just like, I don't know, would you call those sweets or would you call those pills? Who knows? It's fun. And yeah, there's some sort of all blobby liquid as well. It's the bright colours that attracted me to this one. I really do enjoy doing diamond paintings with bright colours. But it has 20 colours. It is 35 centimetres by 45 centimetres for the actual diamond painting area. You do get a basic toolkit, but look at those colours. This is purely what I got this painting for. Look, we've got a pale lime green, got some yellows, burgundies, pinks, orange, blue. We've got some pale pink in there, some turquoise, some pale yellow. Just so much fun to do. The symbols are really nice and clear. We do have some blocks there, but then we get into, you know, some more of the colours that are a mixture. So there is some blocks of like Z, but then there's scatterings of other colours in with it. So yeah, just fun. Diamond painting is for fun too. So that's painting number one. Number two feels like it's a bit smaller. So painting number two is a special. So this, it is a partial, but it isn't a partial. And I'll tell you why. So it's a partial in the fact that these diamonds are not butted up against each other. There is gaps in between, but it's sort of not a partial because you do also do all the background of it as well, so that you are placing them all over the full square of the canvas. It's a 30 by 30 and the diamond painting area is 24 by 24. But you don't just do the sun, you do all the background as well. And if you have a look, the background is actually 3 different sizes and I think they're all the same colour. You do get a toolkit, but let's just confirm that. So the background TV and X, I am pretty sure will be all the same colour, and it is. So if we have a look, background first, these are your background diamonds. So you have a bigger circle, a medium circle, and then you have a couple of packs of the small blue. So that will give you the nice turquoise blue background. And then you have a mixture of diamonds to make up the sun. So we have AB coated yellow diamonds, yellow rhinestones, green rhinestones, orange and blue rhinestones, red rhinestones. Then we have some tiny teardrops in the clear. Trying to see where the teardrops go. Number 4. Oh, so they go on the likes of these little flowers here. So they're quite sweet. Then we have some bigger ones in red, some teardrops in orange, and some hearts in clear. So there's quite a few different ones. So of course the hearts go in various places. We've got those little tiny little teardrop size ones are there, and then they make up some of the other flowers as well. So there's a lot of placement on this one. I wouldn't say this is an evening project, but this is definitely a fun, different type of project, especially if you like working with rhinestones. The effect can be absolutely glorious on rhinestones. So that one will definitely keep you busy for a while. We've even got, look, we've got an owl and a bumblebee, as well as the flowers. Is that a fish or a bird? I think it's a bird. We've got a butterfly, we've got another bee. So there's quite a few things sort of mixed in with this sun image. So that's painting number 2. And then last but by no means least, we have a full diamond painting, this one. So this one you are diamond painting the complete area. And if I can get in it, this is also a 30 by 30. It is round, but look, it is a wrapped up for winter owl, but we have sort of a Valentine-y theme as well. Valentine, winter, it's often cold when it's Valentine's, isn't it? So yeah, this one is a full diamond painting. So you do end up placing the diamonds next to each other. It has 18 colours and it does come with DMC numbers. The actual size that you diamond paint is 25 by 25 centimetres. So a nice size to potentially find a frame for. And it's very confetti. If you have a look at the blue background, it is made up of quite a few different blues. And even the owl is made up of quite a few different purples. This is probably your blockiest part down here. So that's probably where I'd start. That is 310, but I'd probably start doing it in sections across this way, do the blockiness, and then get up to do the pretties. But look at those. So we've got the purples for the owl, we've got some red for the hearts, and we've got all these gorgeous blues as well. And then that's your black down there, but gorgeous colours, especially if you like a bit of blue like me. And you do get your toolkit as well. I can't remember if I said that. So yeah, they are the 3 paintings I chose from Diamond Art Gift. So thank you so much to them for sending me these to share with you all. I will pop links to each of these individually if there is a specific one of these that you are liking. I will also, of course, you can click on any of those links to go and have a browse on the website because they have gazillions more. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon.